How to download and install Castle app. Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you download and install the app Castle on your device. So let's get started. On this process, first you'll have to open any platform for the download process. So like on the Android, you'll have to open Google Play Store, and for the iPhone you'll have to open App Store. So simply I'm opening the Google Play Store. Alright, so after you open the store on your device, you'll have to go with the option search. So simply tap on this search icon, and now from here in the search field you'll have to type for Castle. So simply type the name Castle, and after that you'll have to hit the search button. Alright, so after you made the search for the Castle, you'll got search interface. So from here you'll have to choose the app Castle. So simply you have to choose that. And now from here to install the Castle app, you'll have to go the option install. So simply tap on the install option, and now from here you will be able to install the app Castle on your device, and you can easily run this application on your device. So this is the easiest and simplest method to download or install Castle app on your device. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.